When the wattle and the almond trees blossom, Aussies start thinking of camping. Is your camper ready for camping? When was your camper last serviced? Are your spare tyres, winches and indicators all in good condition? Check to ensure your suspension, your water tanks and your braking components are all in good condition. Check camber bolts for wear or movement. Do you have a spare cam bolt, spare set of bearings? Are your tyres wearing evenly? Do you have plenty of tread left? Are your wheel bearings in good condition? Do your gas cylinders need refilling? Are your jerry cans in good condition? Check that your jockey wheel is operating well and in good condition. Check your trailer plugs. Put your camper up just to check the operation and everything is okay, ready for your trip. Putting up your camper before your trip gives you time to air it and check for any faults which may be there and give you time to repair them. Better to fix now than the drama of trying to fix things whilst you're on camp. Check to make sure that your hot water service works well and your batteries haven't gone flat in the igniter, and the same goes to the kitchen with its batteries and igniter. Remember, happy wife, happy life. Cranky wife, you're in strife. This video is being made whilst preparing for a trip to Western Australia in the very near future. So just remember to click like and subscribe and follow us as we travel through South Australia to Western Australia and return. Aquacam chemicals. Don't use the sachets. Once opened, they quickly deteriorate and most of them are wasted. Go for the liquid form and you'll be right. To save space, use pop-up basins and buckets. When travelling, please use a filter. Many of the sites we'll be visiting through South Australia and Western Australia is bore water. So not only is it better for your health to filter it, but it's also better for your hot water service. At the hinge point in the forward fold campers, there's generally a gap where insects could come through. To overcome this, we spray the insect fabric repellent onto a shower scrunchie and that helps keep the insects at bay. This battery powered Mozzie Zapper contains an insect attractant, is effective all night and is rechargeable using a USB cable. I found that caravan hoses are a real problem, so I'm just going to trial this particular brand of hose. If it's good, give it a thumbs up. If it's bad, I'll give it a thumbs down and I'll let you know at the end of our trip. Remember to take your extension cord and just make sure it is in good condition. We normally prepare our meats before we go and we'll cryovac it so it lasts longer. It also stores better in the fridge as we can pack it tighter together. Just a word of warning to car owners and travellers. Thieves are now using RFID transponders to break into your vehicles. If your vehicle is a push button start, they can always drive off in your vehicle. They are extremely active in the central Victorian region, Bendigo, Ballarat, Maldon, Maryborough. In addition to stealing your property, they're also looking for items to start an identity theft. So be careful with your vehicle warranty books, which contain PIN codes and everything else. Don't keep them in your vehicle. We hope you stay safe and enjoy your travels.